Namaskaram, Namaskaram to all of you. Namaskaram, Venkatalakshmi, Madam, who was liberal and kind enough to give a beautiful introduction. I know the worst thing what any students can listen is advisors, motivation, lectures. It has become a regular routine activity, but I assure all of you that I am not one among them. I only give those who want. If no questions, I don't speak generally. I love questions more than answers. But what to ask? I am sure you don't know who is this person, so introduction was given. I am sure that you may not even remember my name. Only you may remember there was an old man with a yellow skirt and one white beard fellow who spoke something on that Guru Purnima day. Correct? Maybe my looks like I am too old. Yeah, I am not that old. I took my retirement premature, so I am a early retired person. I was there in your school when Abdul Kalam came sometime, when there was a science exhibition to be made. I have sent people working under me with a plan what is to be made. Abdul Kalam was part of the Department of Space where I was also there. Many people call him Guru Kalam. I don't know whether you heard that. Last month I was talking to one of my students who became editor for Abdul Kalam on Vision 2020. He stayed with me in Hyderabad. I stay in Malkajgiri. Now I am staying in Tarband, Sikh village. Earlier I was in Malkajgiri. That time Dr. Anandakrishnan, who was a student after plus 2, escaped from an engineering college, ran away from engineering college. And I picked him up and then made him to join journalism. Now he is Dr. Anandakrishnan. He was spokesman for HAL. And from there he became Abdul Kalam's editor. Vision 2020 was edited by him. So I was talking to him. He only speaks about Abdul Kalam as Guru Kalam. Got it? Now when I speak of your school, I can connect like this, because earlier your principal Rema, when I used to conduct GeoMap quiz, that is how we got connected. So lot of connections I can link with your school. I have got two sons, biological sons, and both sons studied in Bharati Vidyavan, but not Jubilee Hills. We have got in Sainikpuri another Ramakrishna Vidyalaya. And when my children were young, every Saturday the LKG time is different, KG time is different, and grade 1 onwards it is different. So one of my son was in KG, the other one was in grade 1. So 11 o'clock I will go there, I will stay up to 2 o'clock. So every Saturday 3 hours was in Bhavans Vidyalaya. When I was working as a scientist, school was my passion. So that is my connection between children, teachers, academics. So I was waiting for retirement to get into academics. And my name is, don't forget my name. Though you forget my shape, don't forget my name. It's very easy. I was a scientist. Scientists always talk about temperature, pressure, second. So my name is TPS, temperature, pressure, second. I was with the Prime Minister's office as Director General of Security, Deputy Director. So it's in fact a police job. That is supposed to be the top police in government. Generally, police department is under Home Ministry. But Prime Minister's police cannot be under him. another minister's under. So in Prime Minister's office there is a policing that is called a Director General of Security. I was Deputy Director there. So I am TPS, Top Police Service. But then I left all that, scientist job, police job. I became part of students and teachers. Therefore I am TPS, teachers, parents and students. For last 10 years my job is teachers, parents and students. And what do I do? As you heard, life mentoring, LIFE. You ask somebody what is life? If you are a Telugu person, they will tell you Jaragutta ide. Kannada they will say Nadita ide. Tamil they will say Ippadiye Pogarde. Malayalam they will say I am from Kerala. So Malayalis, I know speak all these languages. So Malayalis will say Ingane Ponu. Hindi chalta hai. But you ask Bangla, Maje Meche. No, Maje Meche Gujarati. Bangla, Balu Ache. So as you go to the end of or the north and east and west of India, people are more happier. As you come to South India, as the geography says, people become more confused, sad. We don't enjoy. You see the TV programs in north, all happy, traveling. Gujaratis, they keep on traveling. Bengalis, they keep on traveling. Here, a daily routine. What a boring life is this. Yes or no? My guru keeps saying me, the happiness is like the geography is. If you are from a flat terrain, every day goes same way. If you are in ups and downs and hills, I am from Western Ghats. So morning itself you will see shadows and brights and ups and downs, jump, river, water flowing. All that is beautiful life. You want to know that what happens in my village? Look at, I have got a small house there which can accommodate nearly 30-40 children. It's like a hermitage. I conduct camps there and that's the best time in my life with a lot of children around. I don't think teachers agree that a lot of children around is enjoyable. Ramayana says, as your mind is, you reflect the world. Rama, when he was 11th class student like you know Rama, right? Sita's husband. So, he was telling my father is useless, he doesn't know anything. Like all of you will tell, your father is not good, he is not to my level. Most of the teenagers have this problem, adjustment problems, Rama also had same problem. Immediately he was sent to the first Guru. Guru Purnima, people say it is Vyasas. But before Vyasa was in Dwapara Yuga. In Treta Yuga, there was another Guru. That was Rama's psychotherapist. He was Dr. Vasishta. He was a psychology specialist. So Rama was sent for 18 days camp. And that, what he taught is called the Yoga system. The essence of that is one single sloka. Purne manasi sampurnam. Everything is as your mind says. Jagat sarvam sudhadravaihi. The whole world is like that. Before that there was a wonderful question asked. Assume physically I am invited to your school and I say from the car where I park to the venue where I reach, I need leather carpet. What Venkadalakshmi Amma will tell? Thank you, I will see somebody else, you are not. Correct? We cannot be that expensive for you, right? I am sure that is the answer. The same question was asked.
We don't mind for you, sir. We don't mind.
But the answer given by Vasishta is you don't have to give a leather carpet, give him a leather footwear and ask him to walk.
Yeah.
So wherever you go, you want happiness. The best method is you carry happiness. What you want to learn, wherever you go you want to learn, you should have that attitude of learning. So for me, life, L-I-F-E, all my books, Life Made Simple, Life of Love, Rhythm of Life, everything is on L-I-F-E. What is life? Live in full enjoyment. Every moment is to enjoy. You ask this to the children just before the exam. Are you enjoying examination? I don't know how many of you enjoy exams. Madam was telling I wrote many examinations because I have degree means I have to write exams, right? You know why do I write exams? Because I enjoy exams. Exam hall is the best place. When you sit in your class, you have got seats where you have to sit. Maybe in a desk you will have at least 3-4 people together. You don't get a majestic seat. Do you get a majestic seat? Do you think a prime minister and ministers will sit like that adjacent to each other? As you become higher and higher, you get larger and larger space for sitting. I remember in Delhi, my office, I had got maybe 20 feet by 20 feet room. And there is a visitors room before that. That is another bigger hall. And there is another fellow who sits there who is a PA. After that, there is another peon who has to sit. So large space. The more and the larger the space is, Prime Minister's bungalow, big house. And I'll tell you students, you get only one place where you get large space. That is exam hall. So your status is much higher than the classroom status. And do you know that's the only place where you can call your teachers, come here. They will come beside you. Don't even have to call. You just knock at the desk. They will come beside you and ask. Like a chef in a hotel, they will ask you what you want. And you say, I don't want anything. Go. They will simply go. What a great methodology, right? Is it not? Do you feel exam hall is the right place? And teachers give a lot of notes and then you are supposed to write. You get one chance for making them to read whatever you write. You write in your exam, they will have to read it. What a great. There are a lot of great things in life if you look in different style. That is creativity. I don't think anybody would have looked at examination like this, spoke to you like this in your life. That's why I said I am not that. I am entirely different. I have got a panoramic view on life. So what is LIFE life? Live in full enjoyment. What is LIFE life? Learn in full enjoyment. So when you learn in enjoyment, learning becomes an investment for future earning. LIFE is that. I have got a lot of students who aspire for civil service. I have a book on civil service prelims handbook. That's my book. Not written by me. My student wrote it. What I taught is recorded and made into a book. So the author says, with Dr. T.P. Shashikumar, Durga Anusha. I keep saying, every student who aspires to be IAS has to be an IAS now. What does it mean? If anybody aspires to be IAS, they have to be IAS now. What is IAS now? Inspire, aspire, success. They have to be IAS now. You must look for immediate academic success. If somebody says that I want to be IAS, I will ask you how much mark you got for maths. If it is 98, no. You have to be 100. I am not asking about marks, 100% knowledge. Marks is different from knowledge. I will tell you, if you listen to my TEDx lecture and last lecture TEDx, I think 2018, you will listen to my life history as a student. Not that today you are good, but am I going to change my life from tomorrow onwards? How I performed until 10th class or 8th class doesn't matter. How am I going to be from now, this moment? That is more important. The past is not at all important. That is what all that In your prayer you had Purnamata. The whole past which happened in the future, going to happen in the future, what happened in the past. All this is infinite. Infinite and infinite keeps on minusing. And what balance is infinite? Even if the past goes, you have got an infinite future with you. Provided you are creative. Provided you have that ability to Sahanau Bhunaktu. You have to be with the group. How to connect? Communication skill is not blah blah blah. Oh, I have got good English grammar. You think all the masters of English who has got MA in English are good speakers? If you get a PhD in English, they are good speakers? They have got great communicators? No. Communication is how to connect to people. There is a theory in mathematics. I am basically a mathematician. There is a basic theory in mathematics. You know how to connect to 6 people. You can connect to the person whomever you want in this world. You want to talk to President of America, you need only 6 nodes to connect. You know somebody, you can meet somebody else, you can meet somebody else, you can meet somebody else. The 6th person will be maximum. Minimum can be first or second also. So that connectivity is communication skill. Don't think communication skill is language. You can see a lot of great people. They are not great linguistic experts. Vocabulary is not great, but still, yeah, they are leaders. They make a difference in people's life. That is being human, human being. Being social, social being. So how do you become social? You can connect to anyone, talk to anyone. That ability you should have. I am sure that will come only when you have quest to learn. What is Guru? You must be thinking why this fellow is talking all this on a Guru Purnima day. Nothing about Guru. And that Guru who prescribes you, Guru Brahma. That is the word. What is Guru Brahma? Brahma is creativity. Brahma is not the god of creation. He is not the production engineer in a factory. He is the creativity in each one of us. You know where Brahma stays? Hridaya Guhara Madhye Kevalam Brahma Matram. Inside your Hridaya, when you open, what you see is Brahma. What is there in your Hridayam? Boyfriends, girlfriends, parents, nice masala vada. What do you keep in your Hridayam makes you what you want to be in your life. If you want to be a rich man, you must keep rich people inside your Hridayam. You think about only those. If you are a film personality, you aspire to be in film industry, you must always keep a film inside you. That creativity will come out. A scientist who keeps a lot of science inside him, what comes out of him is science. Vak, word comes from mana. Vak mana chakshu srotra grana jihvareto buddhyagriti sankalpame shuddhyandam. What is to be clean is my manas, mind. Translation is wrong, but still I have to use that English word. Mind, people say that this is mind, this is manas. No, because in English, in science, there is no manas. Only in Bharatiya Shastram, we have manas. That's why in English people say don't learn by heart. But in your language, mother tongue, they will say learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. The manas have to be there. With the feeling you should learn. And that feeling will come only when you have quest. So what is Brahma? What is Guru Purnima? Brahma is the Guru. That is being creative. Do you have creative questions? If you have quest, you have questions. Who will have quest? Who is creative? The biggest problem is not writing examination. You want to test yourself? Create questions. If you know how to create questions and all those questions you created from your textbook comes in the examination, that means you are 100% learned person. If you can guess all the questions which are coming in the examination, you get 100 out of 100. Yesterday morning I was talking to one student who want to learn MBBS. Also she want to direct films. I was talking not to the student alone. When I talk to father, mother, and that girl who wanted to become this. Her brother went out for photography. So we had a long dialogue, 1.5 hour dialogue. It's not one answer. Yeah, MBBS, this college you go. No. Want to know what and how can we change? Afternoon, one of the toughest problems or subjects in mathematics for many students is trigonometry. So earlier once a student told, oh, I don't like trigonometry. Immediately I said, look at my video. Whatever you want to learn, Dr. TPS, DRTPS, type that word, you will get some video. I said, look at it. And then I asked, do you want my lecture? You understood. Then immediately, sir, I saw the video. Now I understood what trigonometry is. But I don't live like that. So what did I do? I said, you have to present what you understood. And that session was given yesterday 3 o'clock. So yesterday 3 o'clock was maths class, not by me, by the student. But then what do? All those people who are in broadcast list with me, who are in connection, I invited all of them. There were teachers, there were professors, there were principal of a school was there, many people were there. And this girl of 9th class from Hyderabad got, this many people, she got scared. I said, don't worry. Having called all of them, I have to explain what trigonometry is. So yesterday was my trigonometry class. But that class is entirely different from what I took earlier. Because same subject, I don't teach the same style. Every day I improve. As I improve, I must rewrite my poems. If I read my poem, what I wrote maybe 5 years back, when I write now, I will write it in slightly different. That is creativity. And that is why I am able to post. This is also getting posted into YouTube. Maybe this today's session will be posted as 21/07/24. 21/2021. 07 is July and 24. Guru Purnima day last year also I spoke. But that last year talk is not like this. It's entirely different. So I have to be creative. And if you are creative, Brahma is inside you. Brahma's wife will be inside your tongue. Who is Brahma's wife? Saraswati. So the language will come. You don't have to learn that language. Language comes. I am not an English medium student. I studied in a normal village school where Malayalam was my medium. But I am sure my English is not bad. So you have to be a learner. That's most important. And then if you have Brahma and Saraswati with you, definitely in your chanting most of the time you are talking about Brahma is Vishnu, Guru is Vishnu, Vishnu is Vyasa, Vyasaya, Bhagavad Gita, Dhyana Sloka you chanted in your prayer. Vyasa is Vishnu. Who is Vishnu? Yeah, who is Vishnu? Vishnu is the god of action. You will become active. You know what Vivekananda said? The biggest problem is everybody is in Tushni Bhava. Tushni Bhava means early morning Brahma will call you. Hey, wake up, wake up. Then he will say, Poda, I am sleeping, don't disturb me. And after waking up, you call all the gods, they will tell you, Podi, I am not going to listen to you. Because all the other gods are cousin brothers of same Brahma only. Brahma only created all the gods. So that Muhurtam when you want to wake up is called a Brahma Muhurtam. Are you up? Yes, all of you are up. But you woke up, you didn't get up. That's the difference. Waking up and getting up, there is a gap. Because you don't have great things to do. Action is there, you are up. So what is important in life? To be active. Who is the god for action? Vishnu. And what will happen if you are in action? Vishnu's wife will come to you. Who is Vishnu's wife? Lakshmi. That's what the first chanting. I have a small book called the Nitya Sloka. Don't miss all this. Follow this. There is a book called Nitya Sloka. No Sanskrit. It's written in English transcript, right? So anybody can read. Because I teach students from different parts of the world. When you wake up early morning, what you should say? Karagre vasate Lakshmi. My money is in my hand. What does it mean? Karagre vasate Lakshmi means my money is in my hand. Only action is there, money comes. Only Vishnu is there, Lakshmi comes. Karamadhye Saraswati, my knowledge is in my hand. Only if you are creative. Otherwise, I am sure your 10th class question paper again you start writing exam. The same question paper you wrote and got good marks. Today you may fail. Because you just mugged up. You learned for exam writing. You did not understood. If you understand, it is part of you. If you learn, it is not part of you. So understanding is entirely different from learning. Then what will happen? Creativity will be with you. If Saraswati is there, Lakshmi is there with you. Karamule sthita Gauri. And if your day is very good, you can sleep peacefully. That peaceful sleep is Lord Shiva. But if you are slightly not well, every doctor when you meet, immediately he will ask you, how was your sleep? If you are sleeping good, that means half of the problem is not there solved. If you are sleepless, that means the problem is something serious. As a psychotherapist, when people come to me, the first thing I ask is, are you getting sleep? Yes. Then, yeah, solvable problem. If you are not sleeping, there is something wrong with you. Then treatment is required. Otherwise, no treatment. You will become well soon yourself. So, Shiva and Parvati. Parvati is Shakti. So, where are all these? That's all within us. It's in your mind, in your manas. You can create yourself good. That is what is most essential. I can go on and on like this, hours together. I thought I will speak only half an hour, and I'm sure it's half an hour almost. So, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Now, when you chant this, you must understand what I spoke just now. Gurur Brahma, like Saraswati is there together. Gurur Vishnu, Lakshmi is there. Being action is important, creative is important, taking rest is important, being energetic is important. How do you become energetic? Good food. Your energy depends on what food you eat, how much exercise you do. I am 60 kilogram for last 30 years. No +1, no -1. Exactly 60. How did you maintain it? Do I do lot of exercise? No. My way of life is maintained. My food is maintained. The way I eat is maintained. Mitam bhuktva shatam japtva patashatam shanai vama bhage shayanasya bishak gim kim prayojanam. If you have a routine very good, then you don't even require a doctor in your life. Atnana timirandasya. Atnanam, not having knowledge, is like a timiram, cataract. Jnananjana shalakaya. Put some knowledge, then what you get is that vision. Clear vision of everything in front of you. Any subject what you want to learn, if you don't like, immediately send a WhatsApp message to me. 9447437948. Search my number on Google. If you don't like that subject, one chapter you don't like, I will tell you. In half an hour, I will make that chapter most lovable chapter for you. That's my guarantee. I spoke to more than millions of teachers, millions of students, millions of parents all across the globe. Because Atnana Timirandasya, your knowledge is that kajal which you apply in your eyes will make things clear for you. It is a trick. Learning is not hard work. It is the trick by which you look at that subject. A stone cutter will not go on smashing on the stone. He will look at where he has to hit for that stone to break. If you know that trick, breaking stone becomes 2 hits only. If you don't know, 100 hits also will not break that stone. So learning is a great trick. I don't teach subjects. That's why I said anything you can ask me. Because I am not concerned about what I am teaching. I am teaching about learn to learn. So what do Dr. TPS teach? Learn to learn. What do many teachers teach? They will teach you how to drive on this route, on this route, on this route, on this route. But you never learn cycling. So you cannot venture in your own route. Every time you want tuition. That's why after BTech also they go for tuition. After MBBS they want admission, they go for tuition. Pathetic. For civil service, IAS, they have got tuition centers. Lot of coaching center. Hyderabad is the worst place. You have got lot of coaching centers for IAS. No, you should not have coaching centers, tuition centers. I don't know whether you remember Kaudilya. He left his kingdom because his people, students under him were going for tuitions. If I am teaching mathematics in a school and my student goes for tuition to some other buffalo, I will quit my job. It shows I am unfit. Assume your mother is cooking food for you and you go for tiffin in some other hotel and eat, and your mother happens to see that, what she is supposed to do? That means she is proving that she is not cooking well, right? That is what diluted Indian education. That is what the Guru Purnima means. The teacher has to be sufficiently good enough. Any point of time you can come to me, I will teach you what you want. That's what the Shiva had Parashurama as a disciple. Who is the best teacher, best student example? Lord Shiva and Parashurama. Chalam pranata shishyanu deshingal sthalam samayam enniva nokkidade. The student can go to teacher's house without even seeing where, when, anytime they can approach. We had such gurus. Sadashiva Samarambha Shankaracharya Madhyama Asmat Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. That is the Guru Parampara. Shankara was there, Ramana was there, Rama was there. I am from Himalayan tradition of meditation. Swami Rama. At least look at the cover page of my Guru's book. Living with Himalayan Masters. He taught only one thing, that is silence. Nothing else. What is Bhagavad Gita says? Silence. The first chapter is violence. The last chapter is silence. 18th chapter. 18 chapters to teach from violence to silence. So what do? A silent student comes, I make them violent. A violent student comes, I make them silent. That's what is important. My Bhagavad Gita class is starting from August 1st. United Nations Academy or the Brotherhood of Yoga is sponsoring the program. And they are the people who are hosting. So, an international certification program on Bhagavad Gita for 20 classes, 20 hours. That's it. I have got Bhagavad Gita class, one sloka, one ending, one question, one answer. My book, Life Made Simple. Everyone has to download it and use it. It's a free book. All are free from mine. My lectures are free, my classes are free, my books are free, because I am rich enough for my cup of tea. So my time is for my students. So in this book, there is one small, one page, Bhagavad Gita. One page if you read, you understand Bhagavad Gita. One question, one answer Bhagavad Gita. How simple you can make it. Then you get attracted. That is what the Guru's job. Guru comes only to tell you, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara is within you. The God is within you. Dive inside yourself. Look at yourself. Realize that God, Guru in self. And understand God, Guru, self are the same. You are the God, you are the self, you are the Guru for you. So my message to all of you is, be that self inside you. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tat Savidur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Who wrote this? When he wrote Gayatri Mantra, Dr. TPS. You will see the history of Gayatri Mantra, which I taught 2 years back in America. I was in Columbus teaching Bhagavad Gita, and Sunday dialogue was on different topics. So somebody asked me the history of Gayatri Mantra. You will see that's a big fight between the Guru and the Shishya. Is any one of you talk to me, I will start fighting with you. Or you have to fight with me. Then you will not forget. The fighting topic can be different. It can be mathematics, it can be economics, it can be history. My first student was commerce student. I taught bookkeeping and accountancy. When I was doing my BSc mathematics, I had a student who failed in 12th class. Those time 12th class was not there. It was pre-degree with the commerce stream. Who was my neighbor, and she said, no, I am not going to study because I failed. I said, don't worry, one paper, bookkeeping and accountancy. That's very simple. And I started teaching. And she retired as a commerce teacher now from the government service in Kerala. So I'll tell you, learning is so simple. If you fail, come to me. If you pass, you want to do research in that, come to me. That's what I tell my students. Because it is all inside you to realize. It's all in you. I don't have to teach. Nobody can teach anything. That ignite should be there. That's why we started with the Kalam. Igniting minds. It is not imitating minds. We have got imitations. Many people will copy. No. You should have imagination to imitate. No. Imagination is not required to imitate. Imagination is required to design yourself. Everybody wanted to have their own design. Your footprint. That is more essential. So don't be jealous. Be a learner. And that will create you lot of life inside you. IAS now. Immediate academic success. I can go, but I don't want. I thought half an hour, but then I am not able to stop. Seeing young minds looking at taking notes. Hard. I keep saying taking notes and making notes, two characters. So I am seeing at least a few children writing. Many times I will see them looking like this on my eyes. They will forget. I love all of you. I am sure you are in the best hands, in the best school. Hyderabad is proud of the Jubilee Hills Bhavans. I'll tell you, when I drive on the road, I will say, oh, this school. You know, when guest comes to me, I'll say, this school, this is Jubilee Bhavan. It's like showing the assembly hall in Hyderabad. So I'll open this. If you have sufficient time, you could ask me any questions. I'll be so glad. I evaluate based on the questions, not on what I speak here. And I should thank Divya, who introduced me or reminded some of your teachers that there is somebody like this here. So sometime a rare communication, rare connection makes people. And what I do is, I've got a broadcast list. So when somebody send me a message, I add them into broadcast list. Whenever sessions happens, whenever I post something, I keep on posting it. Yesterday evening, I had a program which is called, series of program, 1 month program, which is called What India Needs. I am discussing on what India needs. So yesterday was discussing on politics. So every moment keeps on doing something or other. That's my life. Maybe last 450 days sitting at home. I am online with many activities like this. Yeah, you should have questions.
Children, can anybody come? Initiative for your mind.
So, may I ask a question?
Yeah, no, that itself is not required. I told you can ask question. So permission is not required.
Okay.
I am not going to stop you. Endless. As long as you want. Even if everybody quits, I will stay with you. Until all of you leave only, I will leave. Okay?
Please.
Gaurangi Iyer.
Sir, yes, sir.
Which class?
Sir, I always face a problem.
Which
when
class?
meeting friends.
Which class?
Sir, 11A. 11A.
Which? Okay. All of you are in 11th. Which stream? What do you study?
Sir, BPC.
Biology, physics, chemistry. Good. You know the relation between biology, physics and chemistry? Why is it put in one compartment?
It is used in the stream of medicine.
Do you know in South India which is the best research center for biology?
No, sir.
Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Biotechnology in Thiruvananthapuram. Last month I had got on Yoga Day a lecture in Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Biotechnology. The director of that center is a physics man, but his research is in chemistry. Now he is heading the biotechnology lab. So you learn physics well, you can jump into biology. If you learn biology well, you can jump into physics. My niece is a BDS, dentistry. Jumped into nanotechnology, MTech. Then did PhD in IIT. And now nanotechnology researcher in Cambridge. So biology, physics, chemistry. All the three are together. That's why you are into one of the best subjects. Yeah.
Sir, I have many examples where I've got many people, my dad, even you, sir. You are studying so much, you all acquire so much knowledge over the years. But if we see even I want to do a lot of things. I want to be a good singer. I want to also do medicine. So I find it very difficult. I find it very difficult to understand as to how can we keep studying, how can we keep learning, because at one point we cannot continue. We have different priorities. So how do we keep learning?
Everything is learning. Either MBBS, medicine, becoming a doctor, you think you can stop studying? Assume you have an MBBS, you are a useless doctor. Nobody chooses a MBBS doctor to go and consult. You always look for, do they have an MD, MS, FRCS, FA? All these are academics again. Okay, even all that, when that below that, do you know what do they write? Professor of oncology, so and so department, so and so medical college. That means they are also teachers. Yesterday I was talking to one student. I asked, what do you want to be? So she said, I want to be a doctor. Or what you want to be? Immediately she said, I want to be a teacher. I said, I bless you to become a doctor. Because every doctor is a teacher. Every patient who comes, they have to teach. But no teacher is a doctor. And every teacher is a doctor for their students, because test, examination, these are two terminologies used in schools and laboratory where you got medical checkup. So no difference between, see, everywhere, every case comes in front of you is a new case. You have to study, no end for learning. As a human being, do you know what is the difference between an animal and a human being? Tell me.
We can acquire knowledge. We can.
Oh, beta, elephant, dog, they acquire so much knowledge. You have a pet dog in the house, they know which is the boundary. Acquire knowledge? No. Tell another one. I will prove that most of them are no. And I will
So
tell you.
maybe
Yeah.
speaking, communicating with various kind of people.
Every dog communicates. As the master goes, it will start tilting tails.
But sir, like it cannot communicate with different kind of animals as well.
Every animal communicates with other animal. You can see that all the chirping birds communicates. I am staying in a house where I have got lot of birds. All of them I see in the morning, they communicate. The squirrel communicates. You know, in Thiruvananthapuram I gave a lecture. That time I said, a squirrel knows trajectory motion better than Abdul Kalam, I said. And next day newspaper said Dr. TPS told like this about Abdul Kalam. That was the heading. Squirrel is better than Abdul Kalam, Dr. TPS. Because you know, squirrel jumps, what a mathematics they know. Only difference I'll tell you. Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithunani, Samani Chaitani, Nranam Pashunam, Nanam Narana, Madigo Vishesho, Nane Bihina, Pashubisamana. No dog will sit like this and give a lecture, and many dogs on the internet like this. Learning and teaching. I learn from many people, I teach many people. So learning and teaching, as long as you continue, you are a human being. You stop learning, you are an animal. You can decide which animal you want. That's your choice. But what is the specification of being a human being? Not aharam, not nidra, not bhayam, not maithunam. Maithunam is sex. None of them. All of them are equal or more for human being. What extra? Nanebihina pashubisamana. If you are not learning and teaching, so you have the brain, and the brain is like an elasticity. They keep on stretching it, retains its elasticity. If you stop stretching it, it doesn't work. So learn. But learning is not hard work. Learning is a trick. It's an enjoyment. I'm sure you can enjoy learning anything. And I also learned. I left my biology after my 10th class. But when I was doing my MS psychotherapy, I have to learn anatomy, biochemistry, everything I have to relearn. But I learned. And I used to go to many labs here, biotechnology labs. I remember giving lectures in CCMB, Center for Biotechnology Teachers. In the whole India, many biotechnology teachers came and then started teaching them biotechnology. I did not learn biology. I understand biology. So if you understand, that's entirely different from learning and writing exam. You understand, then you enjoy. That's what is required. So don't stop, my dear. No, never stop learning. Assume you become a scientist, and after some time your job will be how to make accounts, because you have to run an institution. Got it? So don't think that you learned only biology, physics, chemistry, end of it. No. When you become higher and higher, now Prime Minister Modi has to understand the budget of India. He has to comment on that. What he has to learn? Are you as busy as Prime Minister of India? Understand? I remember I met once Chandrababu Naidu. The appointment was given maybe 10 years back. Yeah, 2003 I met him. The appointment was given 2:30 midnight. Either he has to wake up at 2:30 to give an appointment, or he must be sleeping after that, right? How many of you do that? So imagine, life is not just to sleep away. The life is to productively use it. When during my camp, sometime I don't sleep for days together, because children will keep and come and ask. You can see one day all my students wanted to read this book, Rhythm of Life, 100 poetries. And some students said, sir, we want to finish it, then only go. I have got students from Abu Dhabi, Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Abu Dhabi, I have got good children. Rishika, Dr. TPS, you search. She will come with a list of questions, 1 page, full questions. It will have English, it will have biology, it will have physics, it will have chemistry, all the syllabus what is being taught sometime. And then, sir, we will need to have a dialogue. And immediately I will call other people, all of them will join. We will have a dialogue for 1 hour, 1 page, all the questions are finished. That's learning. You have quest, then you will enjoy. And when they wanted to read this Rhythm of Life, finished. The whole night was over. Up to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then took bath, started the next day sessions from 7 o'clock again. That's learning. That's spirit. You don't even feel sleepy. I'll tell you, tomorrow you have to give a welcome speech for a Prime Minister who is visiting your school. You get sleep today. Eh? You will feel thrilled, right? So why are you sleeping without having any commitment? No, tomorrow is as usual, boring tomorrow. Then you don't get sleep. Otherwise, you will be up. And every day is like that. That is what means you are growing and growing. So I wish you that you should grow. Be with higher and higher and higher and higher. That's what is required.
Thank you, sir.
Good girl. Love you so much. Yeah. Done?
So soon children exhausted sleeping or they are still for your future? It is something. Yes?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
It's something.
Who is that? From where is the sound?
Sir, I'm Pari Tiwari from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all the teachers. So you said that God resides in us. I completely agree with that statement. But for that truth to be identified, you need to be self-realized. So is there any tips for a person to become self-realized and know the inner God in within?
You understand 18 chapters Bhagavan Krishna gave directly to Arjuna, but he was in full tension. So what happened? Nothing went inside. What is the message? Be calm, cool, accept. Whatever you want, accept it as it comes. Don't get too much bounded. Without that I am going to be. If you have too much of aspiration to be enlightened, that itself becomes a tension. It comes to you. Meditation, I am a meditation master from Himalayas, but I never teach meditation to anybody because my master taught me that meditation cannot be taught. It is to be attained. If you aspire that you want to meditate, we have a electroencephalograph. Check whether somebody is meditating. The time the machine is connected, you will not be able to meditate because you are aware of something is working beside you. So that igniting, that creativity comes to you when you start loving. It cannot be taught. How do I teach you what is the taste of water? Difficult. It is based on your thirst. You feel that, no? And it has to come with an apple as a juice, then it becomes that taste. When the water comes with the orange as a juice, it gets the orange taste. So each one of us got different taste. That is what our spirituality, that is what enlightenment. That comes only when you decide, I am not there. That is why Ramana Maharshi said, Pranabandhanat liyate mana. Your mind can be so much diluted. with the breathing practice, pranayama. This is what every stupid sannyasis, Swamijis, ashrams, people who teach left nose, right nose breathing, left brain, right brain, all those people teach. Ramana Maharshi, one sloka he said, these are all stupid. It's like Jala Pakshiva Dinarodhanam. It's like closing a bird in a nest. You are controlling the breath. Controlling the breath, your mind will become calm, cool. But as soon as you come out of it, again you have to be in the world. So 10 minutes meditation, 23 hours, 50 minutes tension. No, that is not what is to be done. You have to be doing action. That's why Bhagavad Gita describes and prescribes action is important. When you are cooking, enjoy cooking. When you are driving, enjoy driving. When I am talking to you, I am enjoying talking. Are you not seeing that I am enjoying? I know I am enjoying, you are all suffering. Correct? If you can enjoy it, then you are in a meditative state. You are enjoying it. Therefore, you are enlightened by yourself. Now, how long you can be there? Soon after the lecture is, when you go, you are in full tension. When teenagers comes to me, sir, I am not able to get mood for learning, I will ask their parents, give some pocket money, ask them to put on the jeans and then go out for purchase. So this is called jeans therapy and retail therapy. 2 therapies I give. Go to some mall, go around and then come. Did you enjoy? Yes. That is your enlightenment. But when you come back and open the book again, hey, I am not able to concentrate. Why are you not able to concentrate? That is because you don't have interest in this. Did you had a headache when you were roaming around in the mall? When you are watching a movie, is there anybody when you are watching a movie in between the director will come, please listen to my movie? But I will tell you, most of the teachers in between will tell, please listen to me, please listen to me. Your attention please. I will keep saying most of the teachers are beggars. They will beg your attention please. Because it is not interesting. See, the movie is interesting, there are your glue with the movie. Only when the movie is over, you don't, over. Because 2.5 hours, your concentration, attention power is there. Why you don't have that attention power in the class? Because you are not interested. How do you get interest? So what is to be done? Do some homework. And that homework is I am preparing. Assume that any one of you would have known that Dr. TPS is coming to talk to you. You would have Googled and then found this person is this. I am sure you will have a lot of questions. So pre-preparation. You go for a movie, you do a lot of homework. That homework is fully dedicated. How can you be in your life fully dedicated in your action? That is enlightenment. That is Bhagavan. Because you are being creative. You are questing. Oh, who is this man? That quest is there, therefore you are searching. So with that quest, when you come and sit, you know something. Assume that Pari Tiwari, if I learn your house is at this place and I explain how to reach in your house, if I explain the way, how you will sit? Let him explain. I will find out mistakes there. Then you will keep asking, what is on the left, what is on the right? Because you are checking
I
me.
would listen to you with full carefulness and would
Yeah.
take every single point of yours in consideration.
Yes. So when you prepare for that, you have your syllabus, you have your textbook, you know what the teachers are going to teach tomorrow. You study everything and sit in the class. Then how do you sit? Yeah, tell madam, let me see what are you going to say. I know what are you going to say. So pre-preparation. There are many methods of learning. One of the best method to learn is pre-prepare and sit. Why are you able to have concentration in movie? Because you know who is the director, who is the writer, who is the actor, where is the location, and you know the posters also you know. You have prepared for the movie. You are not preparing for class. You have not prepared for coming and attending this session. If you are prepared, I will not speak to you. I will ask questions. I will tell you what you want. Because you already know me. So pre-preparation is must to enjoy. And that enjoyment is called enlightenment. Every day, every moment you do that, that becomes your daily routine. Cooking becomes, I love cooking. I love driving. I love farming. You will see most of the activity which I do, I am enjoying. You see Dr. TPS cooking. You will see how I am cooking. Right? So that's an enjoyment. You should have that ability. Yeah.
So is it right to say that self-realization is nothing but having fun while working and not taking work as work but as enjoyment in life?
Fun is different, bliss, enjoyment, these are all the better words. Fun is momentary. I had fun. We generally say I had fun. Fun will not long for a long time. So any momentary is useless. You want permanent. What happens? You had fun. Generally after that I will think, oh, I should not have done it. Finished. The whole day becomes waste. At the end of the day, do you feel, yeah, I did great thing today. Today, the whole day I will enjoy because I had wonderful question from Pari, had wonderful question from Iyer. My day was great. All other buffaloes were sitting and listening, did not ask any question. Do I have to look at that face or I have to look at those face who asked me questions? So I look at those glittering moments. Probably after this session, I will get few WhatsApp message. Yeah, I enjoy. But when somebody messages me after 8 years, sir, I was there in this class and then I missed your contact. Now I am back. Now I am doing my post-graduation in this place. That's wonderful, right? So moments create moments. And that moments becomes continuous. That is blissfulness. And that is called bliss. So what is enlightenment? Being in bliss. Bliss is not happiness. Bliss is not fun. Bliss is not joke. Bliss is not smiling. It is an internal happiness which will never... See, we have a buddhi which is rational. We have a emotion which will ask you. There are two H, head and heart. Nelson Mandela says 2H is not possible. They will always conflict. So what is conflict? The head and the... You look at my book, what is conflict? It is written perfectly well there. And then there is an Atma which says, oh, I should not have done it. Do your Atma says, yeah, I will not ask this question. That is what Bhagavad Gita says. Uddhared atmanatmanam atmanam avasadhayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Your heart will say that my buddhi was not working, my manas was not working, it was conflicting. Do you have a state of mind where these conflict doesn't happen? That is what is spirituality. That is what is atmiyata. That is what is enlightenment. That is what is blissfulness. Pari, you should come to my Bhagavad Gita class. Then you will understand what is enlightenment. Practical. 20 days, maybe 20 hours, maybe 10 to 15 slokas. That's the end of Bhagavad Gita. Those 700 slokas, all of them are not that attractive. Because they are all like building the structure for making that message to happen. Yeah. Where are you from, Pari Tiwari? Originally?
I'm from Hyderabad only.
Okay, but your parents? Tiwari is not a Hyderabad.
Yeah, my grandmother and they all belong to Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
And my mother is from Hyderabad itself.
Beautiful place, Rajasthan. The mix of the most beautiful princess in India was from Jaipur. But she is not from Jaipur, she is from Bengal. She got married to Jaipur. Read now. Now you will know. Oh, I must see that beautiful princess, right? Lot of albums. Maybe most beautiful princess in the world is from Jaipur. Mansing's wife. Yeah. Anybody else?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, you were telling about Brahmi Muhurtam, the benefits. So could you just tell us more about what is Brahmi Muhurtam, getting up in the Brahmi Muhurtam?
See, Brahma Muhurtam is one time when nearly 2.5 hours before sunrise. Locally, it keeps on shifting from place to place, not the IST time. The time the sunrise happens, before that, we have a biological clock within us which makes us to wake up. Definitely, all of us will take a left turn or right turn or then move from the bed as if you are up. That moment onwards, you are not sleeping actually, you are pretending that you are sleeping. When somebody says, oh, I heard the sound of mother calling me, I heard the sound of alarm ringing, I heard the sound of milk boy coming, I heard the sound of auto rickshaw driving, that means you are up. Why are you hearing? Because your ear is working. That means your conscious is working. There is Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, 3 states. Jagrat is active, Swapna is half slept, and Sushupti is fully sleep. You are out of Sushupti. But then in the Swapna Avastha, half sleep Avastha, you keep on listening many things and you pretend that you are sleeping. Your mother is working in the kitchen. See, the whole world is working. Auto rickshaw driver is working, milk boy is working, paper boy is working, market is working. And what are you doing, 11th class student? No job to do, pretending that you are sleeping. And that time is what is called a Brahma Muhurtam, when you are up. So how do you wake up? I'll give you a beautiful mechanism for you to up as soon as Brahma calls you. You want to make your life different, change, and see that you are active from the early morning? How many of you want? Raise your hands. I'm only seeing 3-4 people anyway in video. Good. Today night, before going to sleep, drink 3 liters of water. Morning, as soon as you are waking up, you will start running. Your parents will look at you. What happened? Man, I am ready, you will say. Can you stop? Your biological clock will be up. Your hydraulic pressure will be up. You will flush. What a great day, I am up. You will feel that. Drink a lot of water. Your brain will start functioning perfectly well. The best method is, there is a 20 seconds rule in the world. If I don't keep this water bottle reachable from my hand, you are not going to drink water even if you are thirsty. And 20 seconds for, if you don't have this bunch of books with me, if I don't have Bhagavad Gita beside me, when I quote, somebody ask me, I will have to look at it. I will not be able to answer. So you have to have in your hand reachable area whatever you want to be equipped with. Lot of books, 1 bottle water. Do it. That's the secret of being successful in life. So your Brahma Muhurta will be known to you. Don't worry about the time, because people have got late sleeping and all that will change. But as soon as you wake up, not the time is important, you are up. Biological up is important. That's what is.
Any more questions?
Yeah.
Any more questions, children? Okay.
You can always reach out to me on my number, send a WhatsApp, I'll be with you.
Sujit.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
As a student, we think on the many things and all. So how to make that moment and keep going?
Repeat only that word which you wanted to tell.
I wanted to tell how to motivate each moment, keep our life going on.
Yeah, what you do is take a big A3 size paper, write there 2021 and 2023, 2025, what are the steps you are going to do. Whenever somebody constructs, makes a plan, how and when the project is getting over. Our project is the life ending. So every 1 year, where am I going to be? What am I going to achieve? You make a draft and keep on correcting it based on your requirements. You should have a project plan displayed in front of your study table. And that is what is to be done. And second one, ask your mother to keep her hand on your head and then keep asking her to bless. I was a very mischievous student at your age. I was thrown out of a school when I was in 8th class. What motivated me is only my mother's hand on my head. Whenever I do mistake, she said, she never scolded me. She said, tomorrow you will become a good boy. Indirectly, it means today you are not a good boy. That I understood only later. But she kept on saying, tomorrow you will become a good boy. So any mistake done by you, parents are scolding, immediately ask them to sit on a seat. You lie down on their lap. I lost my father when I was 4 years old. So I had only my mother. So what I did was, I sleep on her lap. Even when I was 38, 40, when I was working in the office, as soon as I get back home, she was staying with me in Hyderabad. First thing I do is I go and sleep on her lap. And she keeps the hand on my head and say, tomorrow you will become alright. Because that day you may have some problem. Everybody has problems every day. So what the answer is? Tomorrow. Get that blessing from your parents. especially mother. That is more important because biorhythm remains same from mother to children. That is what the blessing you should have. What I am today is just because my mother kept her hand on my head and say, tomorrow you will become good. Even today, she is not with me, she is also away. So, I every day keep saying, yeah, tomorrow I will become alright. My today's lecture with Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is not good. Doesn't matter. Tomorrow I will become alright. Okay? So, first Guru is mother. First Guru is mother. Then father. Then only mentors like me. But yesterday I was talking to somebody, immediately the girl said, I will listen to you. Whatever you say, I will do. I said, father and mother is sitting beside. We know. And the parents also said, no, you are the person to guide. That is what is mentoring. Because parents have got limited knowledge. Probably somebody has got bigger and higher knowledge. You should hunt for them to get motivation. You will have confusion which road is good, whether this road or that road. Somebody can guide you. They are called mentors. So we need good mentors. The mentors are today's name. Earlier it was called Guru. But don't go to SAD Gurus. What is SAD? Sad, right? They are all famous, but you can't speak to them. You can only forward messages. That doesn't make any sense. There are a lot of messages. Today's learning is only message forwarding. All useless. Whom you can converse, communicate, reach up to them. You have a attachment. That is more important. Good. Jahnavi. Earth. Sita Devi. Jahnavi is Sita. Yeah.
May I now request Srimati Sucharita to propose vote of thanks.
Good morning, Guru Garu. I am Sucharita, taking physics for classes 10, 11 and 12.
My most favorite subject. Yada Pinde Tada Brahmande. Whole physics is over. The universe is physics. Getting into, then comes to geography, earth, the planets. Then come to biology, segregate what lives on the planet. Then go to up to cell, it becomes biology. You go beyond cell, it becomes atom, that becomes chemistry. And go inside atom, it becomes nuclear physics. My son is a nuclear scientist in America. So, starting from cosmology physics to nuclear science physics. So, Yada Pinde Tada Brahmande. One Upanishad mantra, physics is over.
Yes. I recollect the days during Abdul Kalam's visit. We have 2-3 groups of students who were under your guidance making working models of different satellites in SAT and lot of interaction between. You have given us guidance during that time how to present it, how to go ahead with Abdul Kalam sir's Vision 2020 and how to present the models. Thank you so much, sir. So we have a long association now with you from that time. And thanks to Ramadevi madam who has introduced you, sir, to the institution. And today we are very, very glad to have you here as a motivational speaker. I think you have covered the whole universe from the aesthetics, from traditional values to the studies. Thank you so much for inspiring us, and the way you have introduced your name, how to remember the name. So I feel that every one of us should have some recognition of our name. So the people should remember our name with some recognition so that they will remember forever. Thank you so much, sir. I cannot quote one example. Every part of your, I'll not call lecture, it is like a guidance. the members of staff as an auspicious day of Guru Purnima. Thank you so much, sir. So I thank you so much for spending your valuable time. Very happy, very lucky.
Thank you, Sucharita madam, for that kind words. I'm so happy there are a lot of children already started sending messages to me, WhatsApp message. Students are in contact. I'm sure there will be lot of children who want to ask question. You could always send me a message and join me normal sessions which we conduct.
Yeah.
It's all for learning. Maths, physics, chemistry, biology, commerce, whatever subject you want. So thank you so much. I'm seeing some graceful eyes who are aspiring for asking questions. We know the time limit you have. Sure, I am open for any point. So glad that lot of messages started coming. Good. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you, all of you, all the faculty members, teachers who had the patience of being with
Thank
me and listening to me and hosting me, especially for the management
Yeah.
and the school authorities.
Thank
I
you, sir.
love each one of you. Hope we will be able to communicate further. Thank you.